So we will make two columns. Let's make the two columns. In one less than 5, for example, maybe 0, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is less than 5, then it will be rounding down. If it is 5 or greater than 5, then it will be rounding up. So let us solve question 1. Question 1. For the nearest 10. For the nearest 10. For example, for nearest 10, 6, 7. For nearest 10, you have to see the ones place in the digit. Do you know the ones, tens, 100 digit is it? Ones place, tens place, 100 place. So 7 is in the ones place. So make a line. So 67 lies between 60 to 70. Isn't it? 67 lies between 60 to 70. How? 60, make a line 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70. 69 and 70. So 67 lies here. This is the 67, is it? So we have to see the digit in the ones place for the nearest 10. Nearest 10, we have to see the digit in the ones place. Ones place how much? It is 7. Means greater than 5 or 5. B. B column. If greater than 5 or 5, then what will be? Rounding up. So the lowest number for 67 is how much? 60. And the greatest number for 67 is how much? 70. So 70 will be rounding up and 60 will be rounding down. So what will be 67? The nearest 10, what will be the? So the digit in the ones place is 7 means more than 5. So it will be rounding up, means the highest number, that is 70. So 67 rounding up is 70. Okay. So next question we will do. For example, 84. In 84, the nearest, we have to see the digit in the ones place is 4. Means earlier one it was 7 means more than 5. Now it's 4 means less than 5. This comes under the column C. What is column A? It is rounding down. So 84. How? So 84 lies between 80 to 90, isn't it? 80 to 90. So what is the next number for 80? 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. So 84 lies here. So the digit in the ones place is 4 means less than 5. Rounding down. So 84 lowest number is how much? Lowest number you will write here, okay? So it is 80. Lowest number, the highest number is 20. So digit is 4 less than 5 means, so the highest number will be the rounding up and the lowest number will be the rounding down. So what will be here? This number high, lowest number. So the digit is 4 means less than 5. So it will be rounding down. If it is 5 or more than 5, it will be rounding up. But here 4 means less than 5, so rounding down. So for 84, it will be rounding down means 80. 80. Okay. So this is for the nearest 10. Now we will do the for nearest 100. Now we will do for the nearest 100. First one is 10. Now we will do the nearest 100. For nearest 100, question is 2, 4, 2, 9. Question is 4, 2, 9. So here you have to see the digit in the 410th place. First we see in the digit in one place, but in 100 we have to see the digit in the 10th place. So 429 lies between 400 to 500. The number after 400 is 410. Take the nearest number 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 460, 470, 480, 490 and 500. So the 429, 29 lies between 420 to 30. Is it? 20 to 30. 29 lies between 20 to 30. So 429 lies between 420 to 30 here. 422 between 420 to 430. That is 429. So you have to see the digit in the 100 place is 2 means less than 5 means rounding down. So the lowest number is 429. Lowest number is how much? 400. And the highest number is how much? 500. So the greatest number will be 500 is the greatest number, will be rounding up, and the lowest number 400 will be rounding down. The digit in the 100 place is 10th place is 2 means less than 5, so it will be rounding down. This is rounding down. This one is rounding down. The lowest number is the rounding down. Okay, rounding down. So 429 this 400. This will be the nearest 100 for 429. Okay, understood? Next question is one more question I am giving you for nearest 100 is 342. 342. So 342 lies between 300 to 400. So again we will write the nearest number 110, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 300. So 342. 42 lies between 30 to 40. So here 342. See here 30, 40, 30, 30 lies between 30 to 40. Okay. So the number in the 100 place is 4, means less than 5. Literally rounding down. So 342. So what is the lowest number? Lowest number is 3 number. That is rounding down. And the highest number is how much? 400. 400 is rounding up. So 4 means rounding down because it is less than 5 in column A. So 342 is rounding down is how much? The lowest number is 300. 300. So this is for the nearest 100. So now we will do for the nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. So here the question is 2310. 2310. So for nearest 1000 we have to see the digit in the 100 place. That is 100 place. First we have to see the digit in the ones place, tens place, and now for nearest 1000 we have to see the digit in the 100 place. This is 100 place. So 23110 lies between how much? 2000. It lies between 2000 to 3000. So after 2000 you can write 200 to 200 to 300 to 400 to 500 to 600 to 700 to 800 to 900, and last one is 3000. So 23110. So 23110 lies between, it's 310. So 300 and 400. It lies between the 3 to 3110. Lies between 300 to 400 because 300 and 400. It is greater and it is less. So it lies between these two numbers 2, 3, 1, 10. So here you can see the digit in the 100 place is 3 means less than 5 means rounding down. So you can write here 2, 3, 1, 10. The lowest number here is how much? 2000, and the highest how much? 3000. 3000. So we call the lowest number as rounding down, and highest number as the rounding up. So here the digit in the 100 place is 3 means less than 5, so it will be rounding down. So 2310 is, it will be rounding down is, lowest number is 2000. It will be 2000. So this is for the nearest 1000. One more question I am giving you for 1000. For example, 3500. So 3500. Here you can see in the 100 place the number is 5, means let means column B, that is rounding up. So 3500 lies between 3000 to 4000. So the next number after 3000, take 100. Nearest number 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and last one is last one is 4000. Okay, so the digit in the 100 place is 5, means column B, that is rounding up. So here 3500 is 3500. So 3500, lowest number is how much? 3000. Highest number is how much? 4000. So lowest number is rounding down, and the highest number is rounding up, So the digit in 100 place is 5, means column B, that is rounding up. So will be rounding up means the highest number, that is 4000. So 4000 is the nearest digit for nearest 1000. Value for nearest 1000. So this is all for the rounding of questions.